So hey guys, this is me Yes, and in this video I am going to share with you the things that you know before using Lucky Picture app. So there are a lot of questions that I got on my YouTube channel that my Lucky Picture is not working and I can't page this app. Please tell me what happened and what the error that is going in my phone that I can't page any application. Okay, so there are some certain things that you need to learn or need to know before using Lucky Picture app. So in this video I am going to share with you three most important questions and answers as well. Okay, so first thing is that how Lucky Picture is worked, and second thing is that why you need not to use Lucky Picture if you have some certain things. Okay, and the third most important thing is that why Lucky Picture is not working in your phone. So let's get started with the video, and if you are new here then please subscribe to the channel, and if you face any problem after watching this video to page any application with the Lucky Picture, then please comment down below so I will be helped with that error in the next video. Okay, so let's get started. So there are some certain cases that when your Lucky Picture can't work with any app or you can't page any application with Lucky Picture. Okay, and there are some certain cases where you can't use Lucky Picture or you also need not to use Lucky Picture. Okay, so I will be sharing all this information in this video. So first of all, you need to know how Lucky Picture works. Okay, so you need to have a rooted phone, and also Lucky Picture is just an app, so it is not a magical thing that you use Lucky Picture and it will work with all the apps. Okay, it is not the case. Also, I am facing some problems with the Lucky Picture while paging any application. Okay, and the third most important thing is that it makes second copy of your application. Okay, so if you are paging any application with Lucky Picture, then first of all it make the second copy of your app, and then first of all it delete your first one, the original one, and then it install the second copy of your app. Okay, and the fourth most important thing is that it changes code of an app. Okay, so I'm a software engineer and I know how an app work in the backend side and how the code work in the app. Okay, and there are some variables that used to store some purchasing things, like if you have some coins in your app and you have purchased something in your app and you want to make it available for free, then there are some certain variables that holding that things, and the Lucky Picture is only using that, use these variables and make it freely available. Okay, so it page all the paid functionality to available be free. Okay, so the most important thing is that why you can't use Lucky Picture app. So the things needs to consider if you are using Lucky Picture, and if you have Lucky Picture in your app, then that don't use if you have some personal data stored in your phone. Okay, although it's claiming that it is not stealing data of its user, but there are some certain cases that you might face some problem when you rooted your phone and you might started with a Lucky Picture and your phone got slowed down and even your phone might be got hacked. Okay, there are some certain reasons and there are some certain cases, because every phone has its own functionality and its own security. Okay, so it might be case that your personal data got exposed. Okay, so please use in your separate phone. If you are using Lucky Picture for paging any application, then use it in your separate phone. Okay, don't use in your personal phone. If you have some personal data, then don't use in your phone. Okay, so this is the thing that you need to consider most. And now the most important question arise is that why the Lucky Picture can't work with your phone. Okay, so there are three cases when your Lucky Picture can't work with your phone or can't page any application. Okay, so first and most important thing is that when you open your Lucky Picture app, then first of all you need to shut down your connection or data or any internet connection that you are connected with. Okay, so first and most important thing is that you need to shut down any connection. Although you can use both the techniques, like you can use your internet connection if you are opening or if you are patching any application with Lucky Patcher, but I recommend that please shut down your connection because it might show an error. And the most important thing is that it can't patch the apps that are not available offline or use some internet. Okay, so if there is any app that use your internet or your data that consume more resources when it open, then you can't patch any that application with Lucky Patcher because it is using your internet. Okay, so it is only patch that application that available offline. Okay, so if there is any application that going to be available online, just like Free Fire or PUBG or any other application that you are using in your phone, then please don't hack or don't patch that application with Lucky Patcher. Okay, because it should not work. Okay, so and the third important thing is that you need to root your mobile phone, because if you don't root your mobile phone, that it gets some data but it might be cracked. Okay, so these are the three things that you need to consider if you are using Lucky Patcher. And I just want to consider these three things. If you face any problem with Lucky Patcher app and you can't hack any app or you can't patch any application, then please comment down below. I will be sharing some information or some methods, other methods that going to help you patching other applications. Okay, so these are the three things that you need to consider if you are using Lucky Patcher and the Lucky Patcher is not working in your phone. Okay, so that's it for this video, and it is your choice that you are using Lucky Patcher or not. And please don't use in your personal mobile phone, please use in your fun app or fun mobile phone. So that's it for this video. I'm going to share with you more information if there is some certain changes in the Lucky Patcher app. Although if you want to download Lucky Patcher app, then I can paste a link in my description. Please like and share this video and do subscribe to the channel.